there are all kinds of ways in which the Syrian conflict could end very, very badly. And the deepening of sectarian identities and tensions between communities could lead to a period of conflict or an extended period of instability and tension, even after the Assad regime is gone. And I think we have to recognize that that possibility exists and not be naive about how dangerous the sectarianization of the conflict is for Syria's future. But at the same time, we shouldn't underestimate the understanding among Syrians across the spectrum, including minorities and majority, of how important it is to avoid that kind of an outcome for Syria. And the importance, the imperative of building a future political order on the basis of a civil state, and this has been endorsed even by groups like the Syrian Muslim Brotherhood, on the basis of citizenship, equality, inclusion, and of equal rights for all, including, of course, minorities. And that was very much the position that came out in the Day After Project when a diverse group of opposition activists came together to develop a transition plan for Syria. The document produced by that project includes references to a civil state, to citizenship, to equality and inclusion. And that plan has been endorsed by the Syrian opposition coalition. It's been read and approved by the Syrian Muslim Brotherhood, and we know that it has a lot of support among actors on the ground. So even while, on the one hand, sectarianism has become increasingly a factor in the conflict in ways that are very, very dangerous, there are countervailing pressures. And what we need to think about is how we can support and strengthen those countervailing pressures so that some of these worst case outcomes aren't the inevitable outcomes of the Syrian conflict.